Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, ever since Bitcoin has crossed 91,000 and actually become stable there, it's able to consolidate. A lot of the altcoins are going very explosive, and one of them being Dogecoin. You might see the price and think, oh, Sky, right now it's not very explosive, but you need to understand that in the last 1 week, it's up about 100%. And for something that has a market cap of 50 billion, that's a huge difference. And also, if you pay attention to the trading volume, it might have fallen a little bit, but if you compare it to Ethereum, that's a very good comparison. You'll realize that Doge is still holding very strong. On the other end, breaking news, Gary releases a statement suggesting he may be leaving SEC due to Trump coming into office. Dogecoin price prediction could turn deflationary after a 100% rise. Elon Musk's tweet reignites Dogecoin as the price surges over 100%, and there is a cross that's about to break for Dogecoin, which could pump up the price another 20% in the coming day. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin and the whole crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin. They decide to look into it, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, and then we're gonna be seeing the market keep pumping. Right now, it's very clear the way Bitcoin is performing, it's going to be crossing 100k very soon. Right now, it has fallen short a little bit. You can see that a couple of hours ago, it was consolidating really strong around 91k, and now it has fallen short and fallen all the way down to 87,000. Even though Bitcoin did that, if you go into 1 hour chart for Dogecoin, you'll realize that it doesn't follow Bitcoin so strongly when Bitcoin does decide to fall short. Yes, Dogecoin has seen a little bit of a pullback, but if you compare it to the overall, it's still holding really strong between the two strong resistance and the support. Now it's close to 35 and 45. Right now it's sitting pretty much in the dead middle, and it is forming that big triangle, which is going to be closing in very soon. Now, as soon as this triangle closes in, you guys know it is going to go very explosive, because this is an ascending triangle and it is going to be turning out to be a positive outcome. Only thing we need is we need to make sure that we stay in this barrier and make sure that because Bitcoin is taking a pullback, Doge does not follow it. Now, just to give you perspective, because if you pay attention to the way Dogecoin is performing right now, even though Bitcoin is down such a significant amount in the past couple of hours, if Doge is able to stay in the same time frame, that gives you perspective how many big whales are actually buying into Dogecoin right now. And the Verton trader checked Dogecoin's price pattern follows the Bitcoin 2016 trend. And in 2016, let's just say Bitcoin did do some crazy numbers, which did help it increase the price. Today, there was not much difference to the open interest. It's still holding really strong, close to 2.4 billion. And if you look at the short to the long ratio, you'll realize that it's actually climbing again. 72% of the traders which are trading Dogecoin right now are in holding of long position, and only 28% too short. Just to give you perspective, a couple of days ago it was at 65 when the price was actually at 30 cents. Now the price is even higher, but a lot of traders are expecting it to go more explosive and actually follow what our boy Elon Musk has started. But overall, if you look at the RSI line, this is what I've been telling people. If there is a slight pullback like this, it will just help reset the RSI. So as you can see, now we're sitting in the dead middle. Even though the price has climbed such a drastic amount in the past week, we are still sitting in the dead middle. Therefore, there is so much room for it to climb even higher, because once the RSI goes back into the overbought zone, it does need a little bit of time to cool off. And then if we talk about the Dogecoin's price prediction, the co-founder Billy suggested cold chain, and Elon Musk, along with other crypto enthusiasts, replied that flat inflation could be a feature, not a bug. But once it follows 100%, if it follows Bitcoin's historic move, according to the trader Peter. Right now, there is a little bit of people who are trying to get Dogecoin to become deflationary, but I feel like changing it would completely defeat the purpose of the way Dogecoin has been working for all these years, and it's definitely doing pretty well. Now, Elon Musk tweet reignites Dogecoin as the price surges over 100%. Dogecoin has sold over 100% in the weekly chart, and it's very simple. Now, this tweet was done on the 14th of November, which is literally just a couple of hours ago. I'm cracking up so badly listening to serious journalists pronounce Doge in their professional radio broadcasting voice in context of serious news, apart from cannot believe that it all started from a meme. A government agency was memed into existence, and our boy Elon simply responded to this tweet by saying this is awesome. I mean, I do agree with this tweet because I feel like even me, when I'm listening to those news and they're talking about Doge, for a second it takes me off guard, and then I just realize that they're talking about, you know, the Doge big one that is being created. Ethereum whales have bought over $1.4 billion worth of Ethereum just in the last 2 weeks, and $5 billion in Bitcoin profit has been realized, and now the sell side risk ratio has surged by 0.5%. So be a little alert. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, you just need to be careful because there are some big whales which are deciding to take profit in Bitcoin. And what will happen is if something like this happens, there is going to be a bigger pullback because there will be a lot of traders that will get liquidated. And if that does happen, you guys know that that will cause the market to drop even harder. And SEC, our boy Gary, makes his final push for the crypto oversight before he is gone from the office, and let's just say that means our boy Trump is actually following what he said, and this could be very bullish for the crypto market. And Musk's college photo is going crazy because he did mention, I want to be involved in the change in the world, and now I am. SEC is going to make a huge difference, and Dogecoin to $1, analyst maps out key resistance and support levels. I mean, right now, the way that Dogecoin is performing, once breaking over 45 cents until the all-time high, there is not much to break around or actually slow down the price growth of Dogecoin. And we are grateful to the thousands of Americans who have expressed interest in helping us at Doge. We don't need more part-time idea generators. We need super high IQ, small government visionary willing to work 80+ hours per week to cost cutting. If that's you, DM the account with your CV and we'll review the top 1% applicants. Now, this is interesting because you guys need to understand that they're going to be hiring some people, and this is becoming legit. And you can see that Doge is still trending when it comes to the Twitter accounts, and 61 billion Dogecoin breaks a 1-year record. Mind-blowing rally is going even bigger very soon. In Pennsylvania, lawmakers propose a bill for state treasury to explore Bitcoin investment. Now, that's a state of America that's trying to do this, and if this does play out right, this could be huge. Other than that, honestly, we still have a long way to go. Thank you for watching. If you want to stay up to date, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.